welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day.
Hi guys, today we'll be having another unboxing. And before anything else, I would just like to say thank you again to all of your love and support, and also always staying connected with me with all my social media platforms, and always being aware with all my uploads wherever, from my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, of course. Alright, so before I'll start to open this one, this is from my TikTok shop. Guys, if you are with me in my TikTok shop and you are interested with all my products, just feel free to visit my profile, look for the yellow basket, or if it's not with my yellow basket, just go to my profile and search for the showcase. Okay, we have varieties of items from the showcase that you could also check for yourself. Okay, alright, so this item is really very nice, and I'll be sharing you some of these tricks, and let's just remove the items. And before we start, okay, I'll just remove it slowly. Alright guys, thank you so much again for your love and support, and it's summer, so just continue to reach me out with all my social media platform accounts. This is also a way on how we could connect to one another around the world, and always be thankful and be grateful in life. Let us always pray, and I'll be seeing you around. Alright guys, here it looks, the wind chime. This is actually made out of wood here, and the handle is also nice here at top, where you're going to hang this one. And of course it has the bell design, okay, see, and the bamboo steel or stick for the wind chime. It has here the coin, Chinese coin. Okay, these are lucky charms for your house decor. And you see, when you hear the sound, it's it could really boost up our emotion, and it could help us relax, the relaxation of the sound. So check this out in the yellow basket.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives, because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive energy.